Hello all, this is Oscar Hotel 1 Echo. Just a quick video about an DMR repeater, an analog repeater. What I have done here, I have done a hybrid repeater where you can use a DMR and analog in the same equipment here. I have here the repeat radios and the filters here. These are very bad filters, but it's only for a testing. And I have done this board. What this board does, it will redirect the audio ports in the radio and the MMDVM modem. So here I have Nanopi. I don't use Raspberry Pi because it's so expensive. This Nanopi is like half of the price and it's a lot better. And I use a couple GPO pins, actually 3 of them, one for PTT of analog radio and 2 of controlling these relays here. So this brown relay, it switches between DMR modem and the analog radio sound card. This has built-in sound card like Raspberry Pi don't have. This has a built-in sound card and the wires it's coming from there. These are the sound card wires, they are coming here. So this is pretty simple. This wires is for analog, this wires is for DMR, and this wires is for the PTT. And here is the RX radio and here is the TX radio. So transmitting radio, receive radio connected here, and it's very simple. This thing. I have been doing a lot of work and schematics. I need to do them for this in case someone else wants it. I have practically protected every GPIO with a diode, and here I have even the diode thing, the Pi, and Nanopi feeds power to MMDVM. So this is the MMDVM and that is Nanopi, that is the computer, and this is the logic board, and this is the transmit radio, and this is the receive radio. So yes, you need to have radios what work with DMR very well. So you are taking from discriminator the audio and you are putting direct to the thing without any amplifiers. I'm using svxlink in Linux, and svxlink supports this function. It will do audio a lot better if you are using a discriminator, so you will use that setting there to have that audio. So how this works, very fast explain it. When there is no traffic, like idle, this relay goes on, and this relay will combine these two. I tried to use audio transformers, but the signal levels was way too low to use them, so I decided to connect directly. So this relay will go on when there is no traffic, and then when I press PTT from the radio, if I do it on analog, this will the audio will go to the analog, and the DMR same time to analog. But only this one will start transmitting. I'm using CTSCS tone. That is very needed for this. Without it, this not work. So you will use CTS tone, and when the svxlink detects a CTS tone, it will start transmitting. And when it starts transmitting, my script will do a disconnect for the DMR radio from the MMDVM. It will actually stop it. It will not kill, it will stop it in background. So even if there is traffic, that will not come through, because the audio lines also will be separated from it when it will connect it. So only the PTT from this and the audio lines will work. And same thing happens on the DMR. If I press PTT with data, DMR data, of course the DMR will start transmitting it, and my script will detect it, and it will disconnect the analog radio. It's very simple. You just need to use some thinking about this. So I will demonstrate, and I can demonstrate now DMR first. DMR an echo test. I press PTT now. Like this. I have here analog radio. This is the analog radio. You will listen. It's DMR. And DMR on, stopping SVX. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I'm too near of this. I should not transmit here near of these devices. 1, 2, 3. So this is the DMR. And now we wait until the DMR stops transmitting. We listen. I can go analog. This one is analog side, and of course it will not listen to data because CTSCS receive tone is on. Now it's DMR off, and now we can use the analog side. Let's key up the repeater.
Link online. Oscar Hotel 1 Echo repeater. The time is 3:02. PL is 67. Press 0 number sign for help. Activating Echo Link. Connecting to conference. Echo test. Connected.
Welcome to the Echo Link test server. This server records your
And
transmission.
it is the same frequency. You will listen.
Adjust your transmitted and received audio. Please feel free to connect as often as you like.
I have connected the Echo Link there for demonstration purpose. 1, 2, 3, oliko se?
2, 3, oliko se?
Like this. And yes, we can now wait until it ends and go back to the DMR, and I will take more distance this time to get that working as suppose. Right when this turn off, you will see here analog off, relay NAX, and continuous signal to MMDVM host. We need to wait a couple seconds, and now we can use DMR again. DMR, and let's key up, and you will listen and key up again. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. See, I just switched it from analog to digital. I done nothing else. And if I go analog and key up here, Nothing will happen. You cannot use that. Of course not. Because this is disabled. Analog is disabled. Now we can use it again when the... See? Why this is happening? Because I leave it on. And it will reconnect after we go out of DMRs. We should disconnect the echo link to don't have these problems. And we can just one-handed.
Friends, echo test disconnected. Timeout. Deactivating echo link.
Yes. So here is it. I can do more documentation later about this, but it can be done. It's involved a lot of scripting and a lot of timing the signals right to get it working right, and it took some time of me to do them like that, and it was very fun, and I learned from it very much. So if I just open, you listen to relay. This relay will disconnect, and this will connect to the other side. All of this is done by GPIOs from there, and you don't need to use a Raspberry Pi. It has no sound card, and it draws a lot of power, and it's more expensive. You can use one of these, and this has everything built in already. Okay, thanks for watching. This is Oscar Hotel 1 Echo.